This is a cell. The two width bricks represent the cell membrane. The one width bricks represent the nuclear membrane. And the things inside the nucleus include the gray circle, which is the nucleolus, and the lines inside there, the 4x1s, are chromatin at the moment, and the green circle outside of the nucleus are the centrioles. In the first gap of interphase, the cell grows in size, produces RNA, and synthesizes protein, as well as making energy reserves for synthesis. The cell does the necessary functions of which it is specialized for. G1 ends at the G1 checkpoint, where the cell checks that everything is prepared for synthesis, which would be ready when there is enough energy to do so. During synthesis, DNA replication occurs, which results in identical sister chromatids, attached at the centromere, which isn't shown in the picture. The centrioles also duplicate. In gap 2, the cell continues to grow in size, make more energy, and synthesize protein. Some organelles are duplicated, and there are final preparations for mitosis that must be completed. G2 ends at the G2 checkpoint, which checks whether or not the cell is ready for mitosis. During prophase, the nucleolus disappears and the nuclear membrane begins to fade as well. The DNA chromatin condenses into chromosomes, and the pairs of centrioles head to opposite poles of the cell. Then microtubules, not shown, grow the spindle fibers that are coming from the centrioles. In metaphase, the spindle fibers from the centrioles attach to the centromeres of the chromosomes and align the chromosomes to the center of the cell. During anaphase, the spindle fibers shorten, the centromeres split, and the chromatids are pulled to the poles. For the last step of mitosis, telophase, the daughter chromosomes reach the poles of the cell and unwind into strands of DNA. The nuclear membrane reappears, spindle fibers disappear, and for animal cells, a cleavage furrow develops, which constricts the middle of the cell membrane. In cytokinesis, the membrane splits, as the cleavage furrow pinches the membrane into two cells for animal cells. For plant cells, a cell wall forms in the middle to divide the cell.